Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase engagement with Facebook, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by defining what engagement means on Facebook.
Consider likes, comments, shares, and interactions with your content. Identify your target audience before creating content.
Research their interests and preferences to tailor your posts.
Create high-quality, visually appealing content. Use eye-catching images or videos to grab attention.
Write compelling and relatable captions. Encourage conversations by asking questions in your posts. Respond to comments promptly and thoughtfully. Engage with your audience through Facebook stories. Share behind-the-scenes content or daily updates. Utilize Facebook Live to connect in real time with your audience. Host Q&A sessions or live discussions on relevant topics.
Share user-generated content to foster community involvement. Encourage followers to share their experiences related to your brand. Leverage Facebook groups to build a community. Engage members with discussions, polls, and exclusive content.
Run contests or giveaways to incentivize participation. Make sure your call to action is clear and compelling. Link to relevant content and encourage shares. Analyze metrics regularly to understand engagement levels.
Adjust your strategy based on what the data reveals. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates.
Utilize Facebook ads to reach a larger audience.
Target specific demographics to increase relevance. Stay updated on Facebook's algorithm changes. Adapt your strategies to align with new features and trends.
Consistently post at optimal times when your audience is most active.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.